Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a tutorial of trading view mobile. So when you open it at first, it looks something like this. You have all these details at the bottom. You have your watch list at the side here. You have explore. You can get all your news this side. Then you have community. Then you have your menu also this side here. You can sign in, and there's this free trial before you pay, refer a friend, all this stuff. And back to the charts. This side you have the prices. You can also use the prices to move the charts, to move the market. You can move it around also. Then down here, these things are news. Basically, you don't even need them. You can delete all of them. Plus this volume at the bottom. So this volume at the bottom is an indicator. If you want to remove it or add other indicators, you press this button here. And then there you have it. You can search all the indicators, the event rank there, and all that stuff. And if you want to change the symbol, you just move it up like this. Like for now, it's on Apple. And there you have it: US oil, gold, silver, euro, USD, and all the others. So that's for gold. You can see that's euro, USD. Then if you want to change the time frame, there's this part here, and you can just switch from here, put it on 4 hours, and there you have it. So not all the time frames are available. Some time frames are for premium, but the ones that are available are enough to get you going, because most of them, even just a few, are not there. Like the seconds time frame is only for premium. Then the 2 minutes is also not available. You're gonna get the 3 minutes. So see what that is on with. Yeah, you see the point. So there's this arrow here, this arrow which shows the indicator. So for now we have the volume. So if you want to remove it, you just click on it and delete it right here. And if you want to change the settings also, you can tweak it from here. Like that. That's the MLN, the input. So you can tweak it from here, the style, the visibility. But for me, I don't use this one, so I'm going to just delete it. And then up to the next part, there is this pencil icon. This one gives you all your symbols, the drawing symbols. There is this measure, zoom in, eraser, all this stuff, the lock, the magnet. Then you have all of this, you get all this stuff. The trend line and all of those. So the trend line, you can just click on it and then start using it right away. All the stuff. The vertical line. And if you want to put it into your favorites, you can add it on your screen and you just press and hold on it, like you add it to favorites. You add the horizontal rate to favorites. Then you have all your Ghana and Fibonacci, all these patterns. You have measurements. This is the long position tool, the short position tool, patterns, price range, and then the rectangle. I mostly use the rectangle. Most people use the rectangle. So if you put it into your favorites, it comes on the screen, like you can move it around. So it's even easier. You don't have to click on this every time now. So with this stuff you have drawn on the screen, if you click on them, you get all these options. With this pencil, you can edit the color, so you can make the line black, you can make it blue, and all that. This is purple, I think. Then you can add the text, right? Yeah, you can see you can change the text color to green. But for you to apply the text, you'll have to double tap on the line, like double tap on it. Then you get these options of style, text. In this style you have all these options. Then the text is here. The color is green, and you put apply text. Here you can change the size, you can make it bold, you can put italics. So now here let's put something like trend. And then there you have it, trend. You can put it in the middle, like the alignment. You can put it in the middle, is much cooler than center. You can left align it, you can center align it. I prefer center, but yeah, let's put it trend. So you can add this to a template. This text, this particular text, you can add it to a template. So I have all these templates. So you can save it as, you put the template name as trend, because every time you add that, it will bring the trend writing. So you can save it right there. Okay. So now every time I add something else, and let's say you do another line, like here, from here to here, then you double click on it and put, now you apply the other one, we call it trend, right? Yeah, so right there you have it right there. So it makes it much easier. You can add as much as you want and it will be easier. And then the next part, we have these 2px. This 2px is like its size, the size of the line or something. I put it to 1px or 4px, depending on your choice. Then here you can select the type of the line. This straight line, this dashed line, this dotted line. Then this angle icon is like makes a line straight, like when you, okay, let's try bending it a little. First you separate, then you bend it a bit, then you press this, it will make it into a straight line, like, you understand? Then these, but you have to turn it off because it will mess you up a lot. You just put it on when you're trying to straighten a line. Then this is for delete, obviously. And then there is more settings, like you can add it to a template, you can add an alert on trend line, visual order, all this stuff. You can clone it also, so there's not two of them. Then there is lock, you can lock it so you can't move it around. You can remove it, and you have other settings. These other settings, you can simply find them by just double clicking the trend line. You'll get all these. And then for the next part, we have these 3 squares right here. This is for indicators. If you want to add an indicator to the template, I don't know why you would use an indicator as a template, but if you want to use it, you have this part here. Then here is for comparing symbols. If you want to compare two symbols, like let's compare Euro USD with S&P 500. So here it will give you comparison of the two prices. Like this is the graph for S&P 500 and the other one is for Euro USD. So you can basically see it right here. Right, you understand? Then we just go back from here. This is the back icon. Alright. Jesus Christ. Nobody has done to the charts. So sometimes the charts will do this, and if you want to just make it right, you click on the settings icon here and you just put out the fit to screen, right? And then everything is back to normal. And then the next, we have the highlights. It's right here, the bell icon. So here you can add highlights. If you have added an highlight, it will show you from right here. From here you can create an highlight, and then you put in your details and all that, and once price reaches that target, you'll be notified. Like you can see, create alert on Euro USD, you put in the price, then you put in the message that you want the notification to bring to you. Euro is crossing. You can type in any message you want. Right? And then there you have it. Once price reaches that point, you will be notified. Ish. Great, now that's your notification. Once price reaches that point, you'll be notified now. Like that, you see highlight. And then the next, you have this candlestick part here. Here you can change the type of candles you're using. You can pick bar chart, hollow candles, line chart, and all. There's a lot of parts here you can choose from. But most people use the Japanese candlestick, so that's what I'm sticking to. Then the next is this part for bar replay mode. Here is for back testing, but it's only for premium users. It's free in the daily time frame. If you want to use it for free, you can use it in the daily time frame. Like put it in the daily time frame and above, basically. for free users. It's almost useless because now you want them and pick something, but yeah, it does what it's supposed to do. It's the same thing. So now you can play it from here. Price do its thing, start playing. You can add the speed from here and put it to 7x. So you can see basically. But it's only available in the daily time frame for free users. And then here we have the object tree. This part here. This part will show you everything that's on the chart. Like we have you use this chart on FXCM, that's the broker, the daily time frame, and you have the trend line, a vertical line, and another trend line. It will show you basically everything. If you put a rectangle, you see it there. Oh, the rectangle is already here. So if I had a rectangle here, it will reflect it there, like a rectangle is there. So that's just the object tree. Then here is for your analysis up. You have the layout setup, but the other layouts are available only for premium. And then now here is if you want to trade on trading view, like link your broker to trading view. Then here is the part, and another part's the help center and all that. Then here is the back and forward part. So basically that's everything below here. So then there's these settings. If you want to change the canvas and everything on the screen, let's put it on the 3-minute like it was before. So it has done this again. If it does this, the simple way you can do it is just double tap the price icons like this, and everything will come back to normal. Basically, it's an easy way. Then now there's the settings here. If you scroll down there, then there's the settings here. With these settings, you have this auto fade started to screen, lock price to buy ratio, invert scale. This invert scale will flip your chart basically. If you're better at selling or better at buying, then you can just do this and it will flip your chart upside down, and now you can look at it in the way that's best for you. But don't forget to turn it back the way it was. You just click back on it and everything's back to normal. And then there is this part, that's the regular price. You can also get percentages. You can put it into logarithmic mode, index to 100 and all that. That's for the decimal points after the digits and all that. Then you have labels, lines, plus button. So you have more settings here. For these more settings, you can change everything on the screen. So if you put it on here, you have the candlesticks. You can change the color of the candlesticks to the ones you prefer. So let's put here blue maybe for the body, and the down candle we put black. So the borders you can pick any of your choice basically, but I like to put the same things. So you put here black, and wicks also. So there you have it. You can put the time zones. These time zones at the bottom to the ones in. Ours is Nairobi, so I'm going to look for Nairobi somewhere here. Nairobi. It's supposed to be somewhere here. I'm not seeing it. Oh, it's here. Nairobi. So then there you have it. Now the charts have changed to my color. If you want to change the background now, you also do the same thing basically. You go back to more settings, and there's this pencil icon, and that's the background. For now it's solid white. You can put it into a gradient to mix colors, but I like to use solid. So now here you can choose the background color any you want basically, but yeah, be careful with it. I prefer white. Or you can put a gradient, you can mix black and white or something. Put this on black, so it's a mix of the two, but I like solid white, solid black. Then the grid lines, you can change the grid line colors as well. You can basically do anything, but I don't even see the point of doing that. But if you're weird, I know that okay, not weird, if you're different, you can use it. You can put vertical only, horizontal only, but it helps you to see where these numbers are going. So yeah, then there's the watermark. You can put watermark as well if you want to, but yeah, I'm just doing I'm putting it the way I want it basically. Then the text, the lines, buttons, basically everything. So I'll put okay because I'm satisfied with this one. So now if you want to sign in, you can come to this part, the menu. You can sign in from here and all that. Then there's this part for the settings. Change the light to dark, and you have your watch list right here. The settings for the watch list, the chat settings, basically everything. Language, you can delete your account, but yeah, I'm good with mine, so go back to chats. So now what happens if you want to place a trade? Let me first delete all of this stuff. Delete them. Yes, remove. Don't share. So after you've done your analysis and all that, and now if you want to place a buy position, it's a long position. So then you have come here, put your long position tool. Long position is here. So you just put it there. Then you move it to your desired points and all that. And it's this one here. So this is the long position tool. And if you want to put for sale, you have this one, the short position tool. It's here. You can find it in the drawing tab also as well. But yeah, if you want to change colors, just double tap on it. Style, and there you have it. Or you can even just change from here. Here the green put blue, and the downer part we put black. So yeah, there you have it. So there's the color for the long position tool. You can change the one for the short position tool as well. Just easy peasy. And the numbers it provides are what is showing. Like here you have your risk to reward, then the target. This is like the 50.5 is like the pip size, then the amount is also right there, and up here you also get your stop loss pip size, and it's the same with this one here. Every story right there. So with the prices at the site, these numbers that are like here we have 1.1400. These are psychological numbers, and once price reaches them, they tend to react. And we have this cursor. If you long press the screen, you get this cursor here which can show you parts on the screen. Like if you move it around, you see the numbers on the sides. And if you click this plus sign, you get options to add alert, to sell if you have linked it to your broker, to draw horizontal line. I mostly use it for alerts, like you add alert at that point. I already told you to add alerts. You can put horizontal line. Alert easy. So this is your watch list. You have everything, all the symbols. You can edit it from here, or you can even add another list, but I'm good with this one, so I'm going to edit this one. I'm going to add all the symbols. You can add all the symbols you want. Use GPY, then you select which broker you want to use. I mostly use Oanda, but you can pick any, like for now, or you can even pick another one. You will have two of them on the same watch list. So now there you have it. Like now it's added right there, and every settings here, rate list. There you have it. You can sort by, you can edit. I don't trade indices, so yeah, but I trade nice, so I'm going to leave it. I don't trade volatility, Apple, US oil, silver. I don't trade silver, crypto. And basically that's it. You put it according to your needs. Then here we just refresh it. And then after that you save it from here, like And there you have it. You only have your symbols now. You have the Dow Jones, you have the Nasdaq, you have the DXY. So the Dow Jones is basically US 30. I think it's put it like that. You can even add US 30 if you're not comfortable with that one. But it's the same thing basically. It will just be from another broker, sort of. It's Dow Jones. I already have it straight here. And there you have it, how traders at stop loss. And basically these are the parts I wanted to show you. Like the measure here, you can measure stuff here, here, you can see right there, like, yeah, all of that stuff. And then the next, you have zoom in it's straight to the point. Then eraser, you can remove stuff, just erase like this. Yeah. It's just, and if you want to disable it, click on this, and then there. The lock also speaks for itself. Then the magnet will make like prices, will make like stuff to stick to certain parts of the graph. Like, let me trade rectangle, but it's mostly effective on the PC version. Like you see, moving this thing is hard now. It will come to certain parts. If you're trying to move the rectangle, it will go to strict parts. It's not easy to see it from the mobile app, but it works really well with the laptop version, with the computer version. And then there's keep drawing. You can draw on the screen. You can hide stuff. You can remove. And that's that.